Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to split your screen interface to edit two slide decks side by side in Microsoft PowerPoint. This instantly locks both presentation windows perfectly against each other on your screen display, making it incredibly easy to compare layouts, copy slides, or move design assets back and forth between files without constantly minimizing windows. First, make sure you have both of your separate presentation files fully opened inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Look up at the main navigation toolbar running across the top of your interface layout and click directly on the View tab. Move your eyes to the right-hand side of the ribbon menu options and locate the Window command block. Find the specific menu button explicitly labeled Arrange All. Click that button icon and watch the software engine instantly tile both of your active window frames cleanly across your desktop screen interface. Alternatively, you can use the native Windows snapping system layout by holding down the Windows key on your keyboard and pressing the left arrow key on one file, then selecting the second file to snap onto the right side. And that's it! Your dual-screen side-by-side presentation editing workspace layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.